Markandeya worships the Lord every day. Today is his birthday. He has turned 69. He has come here to do his regular worship. He's lost in meditation. He offers Bilva Patras to him. And the Bilva Patra. The Bilva Patra is offered at the feet of the Shivalinga.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Tridalam Triguna Trinetram Chatriyayudham Trijanma Papasamharam Ekabhilvam Shivarpanam Tridalam Trigunakaram Trinetram Chatriyayudham Trijanma Papasamharam Ekabhilvam Shivarpanam. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Akhanda Bilva Patrena Pujitanandikeshware Sundayanti Sarva Papebhyo Ekabhilvam Shivarpanam Salagrama Shilamekam Vipranam Jatachakarpaye Somayajna Mahapunyam Ekabhilvam Shivarpanam Kandikoti Shahasrani Bhajapeya Satarani Cha Koti Kanya Mahadanam Ekabhilvam Shivarpanam. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Lakshmyastanutpannam Mahadevasya cha priyam Bilvam vriksham prayachami Ekabhilvam Shivarpanam Darshanam Bilva vrikshasya Sparshanam Papanashanam Aghora Papasamharam Ekabhilvam Shivarpanam. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Kashi Kshetri Nivasam Cha Kanabhairava Darshanam Gaya Pradyame Drishtva Ekabhilvam Shivarpanam. Mulato Brahma Rupaya Madhyato Vishnu Rupine Agrada Shiva Rupaya Ekabhilvam
then the Lord of Death, Yama, slowly came on his buffalo. Never, ever touch my devotees when they are praying to me. Never. But Lord, his time has come. I'm supposed to take him. Not when anyone is praying to me. Go, do your job. But if you see anyone meditating in prayer or doing something related to worship of me, you do not touch them. And him, Lord, do I take him now? Do I take Markandeya now? No. Markandeya, I bless you to be alive forever as a Chiranjeevi. Yes, my Lord, I will go and do my duty.